So I wanted to make a point about the remove too. Someone brought up a point in the Discord last week about me saying me making points on me being a fanboy for the remove. Now I just want to be clear, you guys. I am a fanboy for the remove. I'm not going to lie. I'm an equal fanboy for a lot of these devices, though. I'm an equal hater for a lot of these devices too. So don't get me wrong. It's not all love. Some of it's hate. But what I'm saying about the remove is this. It's not going to replace your books if you like your books product. If you like the tools you get for it's not going to replace that. If you like the feel of the screen on your Supernote devices and you like the indexing tools on your Supernote, this is not going to replace that. So I don't want you guys to misunderstand me. I don't think it's going to replace that if that's what you like in those devices. There are some things that the remove just won't do for you. The software is super limiting in a way that makes it easy to pick up and use, but it turns off power users because it doesn't have those tools. Again, the power users are a small section of the market, so they don't really care. There's no real incentive for them to care about us power users like that enough to change it, because they'd rather have the intuitive nature of the UI, and they'd rather have the simplicity of being able to give this to anyone and then be able to pick it up. Once you start adding tools, you got to consider how you're going to use your UI to take advantage of those tools, make those tools visible. Then you got to manage those tools. There's a lot to do well. And I'm telling you right now, a lot of these companies who add a bunch of tools do not do it well. just a lot of tools does not make you a good device. Okay. I'm just saying.